The thickness of the piece of very thick. Cost your CU Enterprise are making progress. Very thick. This is another to be delivered today. Thank you. God bless.